Having a cage on your camera does three things instantly. First of all, it protects your gear. Secondly, it adds some serious mounting options on your whole rig. And thirdly, yes, it makes the whole setup look way more professional. Though it's not just about looks, but I have been using the SmallRig cage for my Sony A7IV for almost about a week at this point, and I can't go back. So this is my full review of the SmallRig basic cage with top handle for my Sony A7IV, and let's start with an unboxing and then I'll share my thoughts. Inside the box, the first thing you get is the cage itself. It feels sturdy but very lightweight. You also get a magnetic tool tucked into the base. Optional accessories like a top handle, HDMI clamp, and more depending on your setup. Everything's cleanly machined, clearly labeled, and designed with creators in mind. The cage isn't just solid, it's smart. Magnetic tool built into the base for quick tightening or adjustments. Multiple quarter-inch and other threads, all clearly labeled, no guesswork. NATO rail on the left side for quick accessory mounting like arms, lights, or wireless systems. HDMI clamp support to keep cables locked in and ports safe. Top handle with airy anti-twist system. Super secure, no wobbling or loosening during handheld shots. Everything is modular. It's like Lego for grown-ups like us, and you can build it according to your specific use case. Installing the cage is super straightforward. First, screw in the main quarter-inch mount on the base to lock your camera in. Then secure the left screw that goes into your camera strap mount. This prevents any unwanted twisting during handheld or rigged up shots. There's also a third screw near the battery door which makes the whole setup rock solid. Now, there's something clever. The new version comes with a foldable plate near the battery door, so you can still access your battery easily without removing the cage. And bonus, the base mount is Arca Swiss compatible, so you don't need a separate tripod plate anymore. Just slide it into your rig and shoot. Let's be honest, showing up on a set with a bare camera doesn't always feel great. But a rig like this, it's not just about looking cool, it's about showing you are prepared. And when you are prepared, people trust your process more. Whether you are shooting solo or with a team, that extra level of professionalism can set the tone for an entire shoot. So, after a week of using the SmallRig cage for all of my shoots, from my own social media content to my commercial projects, this SmallRig cage now permanently lives on my Sony A7IV because I can't go back, literally. I mean, this cage alone makes it way more versatile. If I need to add the top handle, or if I need to add this HDMI cable support, or if I need to mount any V-mount plate, or if I need to mount this camera to any tripod, this is already Arca Swiss compatible. Or if I need to add magic arm, or if I need to add V-mount plate battery, I mean, this cage alone makes the whole setup way too versatile. This is perfect for any cinematographer or hybrid shooter who are just started to build their own rig. I mean, whatever the accessories you are gonna use, everything is going to be mounted on this cage. So the SmallRig basic cage kit, which comes with a top handle, I think it's a really good investment to get started with, and then attach whatever you want to use according to your shooting style. So that's it for today's video. See you guys next one. And if you guys have any question regarding the SmallRig cage, do let me know in the comment section down below. See you guys next one. Till then, ta.